Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today at Cherokee Lockpicking. Today I have a LOTO lock. It's a Master Pro Series 6835. Here's the tag that comes with it. And here's the bidding on the key. This lock was sent to me by Murloc 68, and I'm going to see if I can get this open on camera. Now, Pocket Women, she started a new series called LOTO Tuesday, so I'm going to see if I can get this open for you, Pocket Women. And a little rusty right now, so I've been picking a whole lot lately. I got a little click out of one, and I believe that was 3. Click out at 2, go to the back. This is the first LOTO lock I've picked of this model. I've picked a few plastic ones. Got a little turn on the core there from number 3. I'm not sure what to expect on this core. I forgot to check it with the key before I started in. I imagine there's probably a pretty good spring on this one. So I'm going to be checking it periodically. Tension wrench is getting ready to fall out. Trying to save it. Oh gosh, got it already. Well, that was easy. Well, it looks like this one here is guttable, so I guess I better get with the program. I didn't even think about it. So, let's see what's inside. And it looks like it takes an Allen wrench to get in there. I'm knocking everything all over the place. Now, I think usually it takes about a 764 on an American. I don't know what Master's doing. So let's check it out. And it fits. Wow. That's tight. See if I can get something to help me out here. There we go. Little finger stuck in there. Well, I do have the key, so I'm going to lock it up. Works good. Okay, I gotta relocate everything. Wasn't planning on getting, don't know what I was thinking. Those lotto locks you don't get, so. And my little dog's out there barking her little head off. There we go. Find a shim. This one's kind of not in very good shape. Find another maybe. Yeah, we'll see if this will work first. I think it'll be alright. Helps to use the right end. Okay. Shorty. Of course, this is just stock, so we're not going to find any serrations in it. Oh, there's a good shim right there. Okay. See what we've got in here. Come on, tweezers. Got a spool in number 1. Spool in number 2. Spool in number 3. Over the other end. You can put 6 in here, but there's only 5. There's a standard in number 5. And a spool in number 4. Now, I'm sure all these springs are the same, little bitty guys. Coming out all over the place. There they are. Little gizmos. We're not used to looking at the master padlocks or American padlocks. Pins and springs, they sure look dinky. Okay, folks. I'm going to see if I can zoom in on this without making you seasick, as usual. And sure you all have seen these before, so. I think I'll leave it right there. Zoom in and then you gotta change it all up again. There we go. I'm gonna leave it right there. Okay, so we got a really shorty here. Key pin on number 1. There are no serrations on the key pins. Don't believe. Don't see any. Of course, I am half blind. Let me get out my one eye here. Take a peek. Thought I saw something on number 3, but must be just scratches. Okay, so the standard, which that was standard, has a couple really light serrations on it. Nothing to speak of. So anyways, there it is. It's a LOTO lock, Master Pro, 6835. First one I've picked. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you come back real soon. Subscribe if you haven't, and hope you give me a thumbs up. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.